Hi everyone, we hope you have had a fantastic Christmas break. We want to thank each and every one of you that has helped us here at SGTV to gain over 800 YouTube subscribers. If you haven't already liked and subscribed, then please do so, as your feedback is greatly appreciated. It's been an incredibly busy year for us here at SGTV. We've had the likes of Graham Onslow from Onslow Electrical on the show, David Savoury from DSES, Kathy from Little Miss Electrical, and we've been filming at the Elex events where we've been showcasing our Time is Money Challenge board, where we get people from all over the country competing to see who's the fastest on the day to win a prize bundle. Next year is going to be even busier and we want to hear from you. So if you have any suggestions of topics that you'd like us to discuss on the show, or if you want to be on the show itself, then please leave a comment. We hope to see all of you and more next year. Thank you. Hi everyone, we hope you are having a fantastic Christmas break. I just spat on that one. We've had the likes of David Savoury from DS Electrical. Oh, you. Keep getting them wrong. Yeah. No.
But now, does this take flex and single cables, or is it just single cables?
Yes.
Nicest thing I found, that you can actually take the connecting bit out quite easily.
It's I think they just, if you push it on the side, it pops
Just
out
like
like
that. See, it's easy as that. But what you got here now? Good morning and welcome to Sandown. I'm just nearly fell off the seat.
And it's
What is a megapixel? What's that thing?
It was easy for you to say, wasn't it? Megapixels all to do with the picture quality.
Hi guys, we're here on the Scolmore group stand. Just behind me we've got the... Hi guys, welcome to the SGTV launch show. F***ing ruin that. It ain't gonna happen, is it?
If you want to know more about Scolmore Group, watch SGTV and hit this surprise button, subscribe button.